Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, June 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, June 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 11, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, June 11, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 42 million pesos, Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 54 million pesos, and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 126 million pesos for June 11, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, June 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.